Someone left a casserole.
How are the kids? Good? And Gail, she's still fixing that tuna casserole? So good. Oh, but bad for the waistline.
She left with her tuna fish casserole recipe. The one dish.
Taste my tuna casserole. Tell me if I put in too much hot
Trying to give me a
Just in time. Wait, the casserole.
Michael, I left the casserole in the oven.
I have a casserole in the oven.
I could do sweet potato rum casserole.
Oh, casserole.
Casserole in the oven.
Fucking home-cooked meal. Oh, tuna cat.
Where'd you get that?
Someone left a casserole.
Come here, you. How are the kids? Good? And Gail, she's still fixing that tuna casserole? So good. Oh, but bad for the waistline, if you know what I'm talking about.
She left with her tuna fish casserole recipe. The one dish.
And your brother, the Monsignor?
Maybe she's a twin. That's possible. Now forget this.
What?
Taste my tuna casserole. Tell me if I put in too much hot fudge.
I mean, you're getting so close-minded these days. I just don't...
Fucking tragedy.
Who the fuck is
I
that?
don't know. She was trying to give me a casserole.
On the show today, we have defense attorney Tanner. Hi, sweetheart.
Hi. Just in time. Wait, the casserole.
Oh, no thanks. I've got an idea for a song.
Yeah.
Michael, I left the casserole in the oven. You can take it out any time.
You're not going.
I couldn't.
Screaming after Carl and Roy? I mean running.
John, I have a casserole in the oven and your sister in the kitchen, and I don't want to talk about the tour.
De bœuf fourré périgordine. I could do sweet potato rum casserole.
Yeah? No beverage?
A casserole. Casserole. Oh, casserole. That sounds good. Okay, let's see, what does it say?
You do us any tea, Wayne?
Yeah, it's a little chicken casserole in the oven.
That's nice.
I've been jerking off to it for the last 850 nights in a row. A fucking home-cooked meal. Oh, tuna casserole.
All right, Paul.
Knock.
The girl's got to go.
It's for you. Now, Jolene, I could sure use some help with the casseroles when you're through. Give it. You hungry?
I'm starving.
I got casserole in the oven.
Yeah?
Oh, Miss Hunter left the casserole. You hungry?
Pass that casserole, please.
My casserole's coming.
I'll eat some of yours too.
It's not the dress, it's you.
You touched your tuna casserole.
Come on, sweetie. Come on. There we go.
Hey, what's with this casserole?
Oh, it's lasagna. It's still good. Take it.
You know, we met new friends and had a great lunch. Wasn't that a great lunch?
Yeah, the tuna and cream casserole was beautiful.
Great. And anyway, we were just talking. We'd like to go home now, so
Well, it would be nice to keep you around.
Enjoy the casserole.